Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to run Node.js project in Visual Studio Code. It's pretty simple. Let's get started. First, open your web browser, open the nodejs.org web page, and here you can download the recommended for most users version of Node for your operating system, Windows, macOS. Choose it, and next install Node on your computer as any other program. After you install Node, return to Visual Studio Code, open a new project. To do this, choose File, Open Folder, then create a new folder. For example, run Node, create, and open this folder. We haven't any files here. Let's create a new file. For example, app.js. Okay. Now let's display some information in the console. Console.log, and here write subscribe to Studio Coder channel and paste the link. Now how do we see the result of executing our program? I will show two ways to display the result in real time, in the terminal and in the output. First, open the terminal, open the View menu, and then choose Terminal. First, let's check that we have installed the Node.js. To do this, write node-version, enter, and we have the 19th version of Node. That's good. To see the result, write Node and then the name of our file, app.js, enter, and we see the result of our code execution. But if we make changes to the code, then we will have to run Node again to see them. This may not be very convenient, so I suggest that you enable real-time display of changes. To do this, I suggest you to install Nodemon, write npm install -g nodemon, enter. I have an error because I use a Mac, and if you use a Mac, then you need to write sudo before npm to run this command as an administrator. Enter, write password, that's good. Now instead node app.js, write nodemon app.js, enter, and we have the result of our program. Let's change our code, for example, only subscribe, and we see the new result of our code execution. That's good. If you don't want to type commands in the terminal, there is an easier way to run Node in real time. Let's close the terminal and open extensions. Search Quokka extension and install it. Return to our app.js file, and now when we have installed Quokka extension, we can open the command palette, right-click, and then choose Command Palette. After that, write Quokka and choose Start on Current File. We see the output section and we see the execution of our code. Let's edit it, for example, like and subscribe, and we see changes in real time. It's perfect. Quokka also uses Node to run code. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, have a good coding, see you next time.